Welcome to Las Vegas Now. As we deal with the COVID-19 pandemic, it's time for families to also have those difficult conversations about family wills and trust, especially during a time with so many unexpected deaths. Las Vegas Now expert Eric Palacios shared some important advice. Here's our conversation. Eric, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Now, we need to talk about something a lot of families don't like to talk about, but especially during a time like this, it's important to discuss a will.
It's true. It's a subject that no one is comfortable with, but we all need to discuss at some time in our life. So it's very important for everyone to think about this and to prepare a will or trust.
Absolutely. And what can families do to prepare for a medical emergency?
It's important to have a will or trust, and this has to include a medical directive. In the event that we're unable to make our own decisions, this way we can designate the person that we want to be able to carry out our wishes.
And what if a family doesn't have a medical directive or someone they think can be a medical directive?
Well, this is the issue. A will doesn't come into play until you have passed away. So as long as you're still alive, even if you're incapacitated, without a medical directive, there's very little that your family can do. The state sets in place laws for who can make these decisions for you, and sometimes that's not the person who you would choose, or it's not the person that has your best interest at heart at the time. So that's why it's very important to have a valid medical directive. Okay, and how important is a will in general? Well, as we can see by what we're going through at the current time, unforeseen events can happen to any of us. So it's very important to have this in place. It doesn't matter our age. Sometimes we think we need to be in our 60s, 70s before we think about this, but everybody needs to be prepared, and it's a good idea to always have a will in place. If we have significant assets, then a living trust is also a very good instrument to have in place. Absolutely, and it's a perfect time to contact you guys and get more information. So how can people do that? They can call us at 444-7777, and we'd be happy to help them arrange this. All right. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate it. Thank you for having me. Stay safe. Take care. You too. All right. For more information, give Eric Palacios and Associates a call at 702-444-7777. You can also visit their website at ericpalacioslaw.com. Las Vegas Now will be